civil danger warning, which replaces local area emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Meigsburg Emergency Management Agency. Hunter Wilson, which caused damage, has came back. All residents is requested to take shelter immediately. All schools is closed.
The following is a winter weather message for the following counties in New York: Schoharie and Western Green. Winter storm watch in effect from Sunday morning through Monday morning. West, heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations of several inches or greater may occur. Where in Massachusetts, northern Berkshire and southern Berkshire counties. In New York, Schoharie, Western Albany and Western Green counties. When? From Sunday morning through Monday morning. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute Monday. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio All-Hazard Station WWH-34 in Walton on a frequency of 162.425 MHz and WWF-43 in Stanford on a frequency of 162.400 MHz. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office in Binghamton and serves Delaware County and the surrounding Catskill and Susquehanna regions of New York.
The National Weather Service, in the Flushington State area has issued an urban and small stream flood advisory for Plush City County in the Flushington State until 6 a.m. Flushington Standard Time Friday. At 9 p.m. Flushington Standard Time, flooding was located 15 miles south of Meigsburg, or southwest of Plush City, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard flooding with rainfall up to 3 to 4.5 inches. This might upgrade to a flash flood or aerial flood warning. Source radar indicated impact. Low-lying areas will be impacted. Locations impact flooding include Meigsburg and Plush City South.
Flash flood watch in effect from Wednesday evening to Friday night. The National Weather Service in the Flushington State area has issued a flash flood watch, which includes the following areas: Redville, Orangeville, Yellowville, Greenville, Blueville, Brooklynville, Plush City, Clinton, Pacific, Green, Jackson, and Floodtown in Flushington State, and Wakefield County in Blacksea. When? From Wednesday evening to Friday night. Showers and thunderstorms with excessive rainfall due to an individual named Hunter Wilson who saying excessive rainfall of 1 to 3 inches of rain is likely. Be alert. You should be alert for monitor for possible flash flood warnings. Please listen to NOAA Weather Radio, weather.gov, commercial radio or media outlet. Well, not commercial radio. Well, yeah, commercial radio or media outlets for the latest severe weather information. This is statewide channel 1530 AM radio in Plush City, Washington State. Hello, this is James Hutchinson here. We're in the domestic news studio in Plush City County. We have some really good but bad news at the same time today. Hunter Wilson is believed to be in Plush City County. Second, severe weather is expected to hit the United States in 4 hours. Residents in the United States is requested to seek shelter immediately. As well, South Plush City County lines are down due to Hunter Wilson. I'm trying to pronounce that, but unfortunately, he has hijacked the 911 cells in Viceburg. So,
Seas 3 to 5 feet. Sunday, east winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 5 to 9 feet. Rain. Sunday night, northeast winds 20 to 30 knots, increasing to 30 to 40 knots. Seas 7 to 12 feet. Chance of rain with visibility 1 nautical mile or less. Monday, north winds 30 to 40 knots. Seas 10 to 17 feet. Monday night, north to northeast winds 30 to 40 knots. Seas 11 to 18 feet. Tuesday, north winds 20 to 30 knots, becoming northeast 15 to 25 knots. Seas 10 to 17 feet. Tuesday night, northeast winds 10 to 20 knots, becoming north to northeast 10 to 15 knots. Seas 7 to 13 feet. Wednesday, north to northeast winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming north 5 to 10 knots. Seas 6 to 11 feet. Wednesday night, east to northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 5 to 9 feet. The offshore waters forecast for Hudson Canyon to Baltimore Canyon, out to 1,000 fathoms. Gale warning. Today, north to northeast winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Chance of thunderstorms. Tonight, east winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet.
Temperature of 39 at Albany, 37 at Boston, 39 at Bradley Field, and 37 at Buffalo. Again, the 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time hourly information for the Mid-Hudson Valley. It was cloudy, and temperatures were between 41 and 42 degrees. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for northwestern Connecticut, much of east central and eastern New York. For today and tonight, hazardous weather is not expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. A storm system will bring a period of snow to the region for Sunday into Sunday night. A light accumulation is expected for most, with the potential for a moderate accumulation across the high terrain. A winter weather advisory could be needed for some areas. Spotter information statement. Weather spotters are encouraged to report snowfall amounts to the National Weather Service in Albany, New York via phone, email, or social media. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for western Massachusetts. Parts of east central New York and southern Vermont. For today and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Please listen to NOAA Weather Radio or go to weather.gov on the internet for more information about the following hazards. Winter Storm Watch. Spotter information statement. Weather spotters are encouraged to report snowfall amounts to the National Weather Service in Albany, New York via phone, email, or social media. Synopsis. Cloudy and damp conditions continue today. A storm system will approach from the south tonight, with rain and snow arriving before daybreak. Rain and snow is expected Sunday into Sunday.
message is transmitted at the request of the Plush City County Emergency Management Agency. Plush City County Emergency Management Agency, aka Flushington State Emergency Management Agency, has issued a National Emergency Action Notification.
National Alert. National Alert. The following message is transferred at the request of the United States Emergency Management Agency. The Plush City County Services Information Emergency Management Agency has activated a national level emergency for the whole entire United States and the whole entire Flushington State area for 4 months. Contact your local police causing to work to cause destruction in the Plush City County metro area and also the United States. All residents in all residents everywhere in the United States and Washington State areas to seek immediate shelter.
This is a emergency action termination. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Emergency Management Agency. Hunter Wilson is no longer in the domestic area. All residents in the Washington State area is requested to ask to get out of your shelters immediately.